Exercise number 2, formation of bus admittance and impedance matrix and solution of network. To form the bus admittance matrix Y and the bus impedance matrix Z of a power network, to effect certain required changes on the matrix and to obtain network solution using this matrix. So software required, MATLAB softwares. So in this formation of bus admittance and impedance method, so what are the methods we have to studied in the power system analysis subject? Bus admittance matrix Y and bus impedance matrix Z are two important network. So here Y bus system and voltage is equal to I and Z bus system I is equal to V. So Z is mainly used in fault analysis while Y is mainly used in power flow and stability analysis. So next, formation of bus admittance matrix. Formation of bus admittance matrix, two rule method for assembling Y matrix. So here first point, the diagonal elements YII of the matrix is equal to sum of the admittance of all the elements connected to the ith node. Second point, the off diagonal element Yij of the matrix is equal to the negative of the sum of the admittance of all elements connected between the node I and J. Next, you have to write the building algorithm for Z bus. Step 1, start with a partial network composed only of those elements connected directly to reference node. Step 2, add a new element which bring a new node and modify Z using rules given. Continue until all the nodes of the complete network are brought in. Step 3, add a new element connected between existing nodes I and J using rules given. Continue until all the elements are connected. So these are all the steps, again it will be repeated. Next, what are the procedure how to open this MATLAB software? Enter into the command window of the MATLAB, create a new script. Third one, type and save the program in editor window and execute the program. Here execute the program or run the program. Finally, view the result and do the analysis. So these are all the program. So here programs are main program because we are going to using for two bus system, Y bus system and Z bus system. First we have to discuss Z bus system. In this matrix value given for this system 0, 1, 0, 1.0, 0, 2, 0, 0.8, 1, 2, 0, 0.4, 1, 3, 0, 0.2, 2, 3, 0, 0.2, 3, 4, 0, 0.08. These are all the given matrix for Z bus system value. So here Y bus is equal to Y bus system for the impedance value, that is called a bus admittance matrix we are going to choose on here. Next, I bus system, the current bus system is equal to minus j into 1.1 colon minus j into 1.25 colon 0 colon 0 and then 0 for percentage of vector of injected bus current value. Again Z bus is equal to inverse of Y bus. Next V bus is equal to Z bus into I bus system. So here Z bus into inverse of Y bus means the bus impedance matrix we are going to consider. So this main program of Z bus system. Next the main program of Y bus system. The function Y bus is equal to Y bus, that is called Z data. So the impedance value we can get. Y bus is equal to Y bus, getting the Z bus data value. Next Z data is equal to 1 and Z that means NR is equal to Z data colon 2 value, and then R is equal to data 3 and then X is equal to data 4. Next NBR, that means the length of the conductor including for impedance data, that means Z data value 1 and N bus for maximum of and NL value and NR value. So here impedance value, that means the generally impedance y is equal to z is equal to r plus jx. Here the r will be resistance value, and then x means the whether the inductive reactance or capacitive reactance one. Next y is equal to 1. So NBR comma 1 divided by z value because of branch admittance and branch impedance value. Next for k is equal to 1 because the formation of the half diagonal matrix. So the formation of half diagonal matrix in the given impedance z is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1.0, 0, 2, 0, 0.8. So these matrix value we can going to get this value for y bus system also. So finally y bus into nr into k comma nl into k is equal to y bus nl into k comma nr into k. After that we have to type the end. Again we are going to end. So first end means computing for the main program for y bus system. Second end is given for the main program of y bus systems, sorry, z bus systems. After n is equal to 1, n bus formation of the diagonal matrix. Again we are going to consider z bus system diagonal matrix. So next for n is equal to 1, n bus means formation of diagonal elements. For k is equal to 1, and if n l equal to k is equal to n. So finally y bus into n comma n is equal to y bus into n comma n plus y of k value. So this k value is already given here for if nl k greater than 0 and nr k greater than 0. So after that we have to end the program. So this program we are going to type the same one in MATLAB software. Okay. So MATLAB software, first one, type the main program, main program, main program. After main program and enter. Next percentage from 0 to from t r sorry. So percentage of program from to rx, from to r space x. So second line. After that we are going to type the z values. So these z values we can get, z values we can get. So next again we are going to type the another one. So y bus is equal to y bus of z value. Just we have to type this value. So v bus is equal to y bus of I bus systems. So here voltage bus. So here the main program for z bus systems. After we are going to type the main program of y bus systems. Main program of y bus systems. So again we are going to type the y bus system 1. So next we have to arrange the all the lines for the matrix manner, because only it will be easily run the program. Next the end for n bus system. Just we have to type the program for the same one. So end after going to type this program. So these things you have to type the program. So after the successfully type the program, we are going to save the program. So save the program for any pages, home pages or desktop, any pages you have to save this program. The program it will be saved. So next go to menu, editor menu, we have to run the program. So while run the programs, it will not getting any, means waiting for input 1, waiting for input 1. So waiting for input 1. So finally we can get the out. So finally we can get the output for the same one. So here the output is z y bus is equal to y bus values for some of the value, and then z bus is some values we can get, and v bus, that means voltage bus also we can get this given program output. Okay, so after that we have to do the some manual calculations. So manual calculation. So finally you have to write the result in your end of the pages. Before, write some few viva question and answers. So these are all the things we have to study in the exercise number 2. So we studied for formation of bus admittance and impedance matrix and solution of given networks. So we have to write your result for end of these pages.